Hey YouTube, we are getting our tree cut today. I won't be doing it obviously, so we hired these awesome guys. I mostly will be documenting the process and doing some time lapse and videoing, and it's going to be awesome. They're getting started. These guys work so fast. They are Urano Tree Service, if anybody is in Southern California and are looking for a couple of tree guys. Oh yeah. I think they're taking a break. We are actually very sad to see the tree go, so I'm going to try and save as many of the pieces as I can for future woodworking projects. These are the pieces that I've brought in so far. The bigger ones, they help me carry in. These guys are awesome if you need a tree cut. I don't know what I'm gonna do with these. I'm going to do some research, make a few posts on Reddit, going to try and get more. I've been rolling the bigger pieces. I don't know what to do with them. I guess I'm buying a chainsaw. And I need to post on Reddit to see how to store them. The limited research I've done so far is to paint the ends and let it dry slowly over time. I think it will take many years, so. They just got the main trunk off, and this is kind of what it looks like. That's a big tree. Looks like they're pretty much done for today. This is what is left. We are definitely a little sad, but I am happy that we won't have future plumbing problems. They finished cleaning up and left for the day. Tomorrow they will come and remove the stump and some of the roots. This is kind of what we have right now, and sad to see it go. Today is day number 2. They are already here working, but I am actually working today doing dentistry, so I'm not able to film a lot today or get a lot of time lapse. So I will try to come back at lunchtime and film as much as I can. These are the pieces that I am taking. I am organizing them a little bit. There is still a lot of scraps, and I don't know what I am going to do with all of these pieces of tree. There are so many projects that I want to do. I'm looking into building my own chainsaw mill. There are pretty big pieces over here that I don't even know if I could carry them or move them myself. I'm gonna plan to make this one into like a little bench, and you got all these pieces here. This big one, which is the center of the trunk, I really want that to be our coffee table, but I have no idea how to cut, prep, and get ready for that one. So we will see. These are exciting times. The tree has been cut. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get a lot of footage from yesterday because I had to work actually doing some dentistry. This is what we are left with. There is a good amount of mulch because in the future we would like to do California native species, low water, low maintenance, and I can't wait to get started on that project. But there are so many other things we need to do right now that I don't know if we're gonna get to this anytime soon. The guys did a great job. They were super awesome for letting me keep some pieces for future woodworking. Beautiful. 11th video done.